He's a peeping Tom. Dad!
Hey, wait a minute. Who are you? Stella! Another one of these damn kids jumped in front of my car! Come on out here, help me take him in the house!